Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anthea here, and today I am going to show you how to incorporate papaya into your skincare routine so that you can keep your skin looking beautiful. Papaya is a powerhouse of essential nutrients that can be used as a home remedy to nourish the skin and bring back its natural glow. Papaya nourishes and moisturizes the skin. It reduces the appearance of blemishes. It gently exfoliates the skin. It can prevent acne breakouts. It is anti-aging, and it brightens the skin tone and fades dark spots. This papaya facial mask requires some papaya puree, so let's go make some papaya puree from scratch. To be using 2 parts papaya puree and 1 part honey. So in here I have 2 tablespoons of papaya puree, and I am just going to add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Mix it well. I hope you also have a beautiful thick paste like this one. So the next step is clean your face and apply this directly onto the skin. Now leave this mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water and apply a moisturizer. Thank you so much for watching this video. That is it for today. Have fun trying this mask out, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to do so. Have yourselves a lovely time. See you next time.